We ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's roll. Guys, what are we gonna do now? Move, move, move!
Yeah, let's go.
Cedar's not gonna save us. Any ideas?
Actually, I've been thinking.
No.
So I just been thinking Jimmy gives stock cars around here somewhere.
No.
We just gotta find it,
No.
gas it up, and I'll drive that thing to New Orleans my damn self.
Oh, no siree, Bob.
Yeah, only if I get killed. Otherwise, you better kill me, because I am driving.
Uh-uh.
Soon as these doors open, get ready to move.
Tits! Let's get some gas! One more for the gas tank.